Hey guys, it's Jeremy Veldman with Memphis Turnkey Properties. Another fantastic investment opportunity for you guys. 3090 Bell Tower, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,500 square foot house, great curb appeal, nice spacious interior with fireplace in the den, new laminate floors, carpet in the bedrooms, rents for about $9.95 a month, and reasonably priced around $95,000. So let's take you inside and give you a quick look. Okay, 3090 Bell Tower, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,500 square foot house, nice spacious interior, great curb appeal, beautiful house. Now I want to remind you guys that we offer a 90-day warranty on all items within the 4 walls of the house and a 180-day warranty on the air conditioner and the furnace. If you'd like to learn more about this listing, visit our website, memphisturnkey.com, as well as other listings that we have available in the Memphis market. I'm Jeremy. You can call me directly also. My number is 662-418-7511. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next listing.